In 2016, we had staff trained in delivering neurofeedback. I had watched a TED Talk, which I'll talk about later, which inspired me to use it, and we found it extremely successful. It is far better, in my estimation, to use a therapeutic intervention for a diagnosis of ADHD than it is to use drugs. So neurofeedback is drug-free, pain-free, and delivers results. Certainly, we proved that with our school, and at the end of this tape, you will see how Ellen McGuinness proved it in her talk in the TED Talk. I would also like to promote at this stage my latest book, Early Years Neurodiversity Toolkit, which is available on Amazon, and it has had rave reviews in America. So please